Bay windows are often admired for their elegant design and the way they add depth and natural light to a room. But beyond their visual appeal, bay windows can also play a valuable role in improving airflow throughout your home. When designed and installed thoughtfully, they can enhance ventilation and create a fresher indoor environment. For homeowners in Mandeville, bay windows offer both beauty and practical comfort benefits. How bay windows are designed. A traditional bay window features 3 sections, a large center window and 2 angled side windows. While the center panel is often fixed, the side panels can be operable, depending on the design you choose. In Mandeville homes, selecting bay windows with functional side panels allows homeowners to improve natural ventilation while maintaining the signature outward projection that defines the style. Capturing breezes from multiple angles. One of the unique advantages of bay windows is their angled configuration. Because the side windows are positioned at different angles, they can capture airflow from more than one direction. In Mandeville residences, this design makes it easier to take advantage of outdoor breezes. Even when wind direction shifts, the angled panels help guide fresh air into the home. Encouraging cross-ventilation. Cross-ventilation occurs when air flows in from one side of a home and exits through another opening. Bay windows can support this natural airflow pattern. When paired with additional operable windows elsewhere in the room, they help Mandeville homeowners create a steady circulation of fresh air without relying entirely on indoor systems. Improving comfort in living areas. Living rooms and family spaces are common locations for bay windows. In Mandeville homes, these rooms often serve as central gathering spaces. Enhanced airflow from operable bay windows helps keep these areas feeling fresh and comfortable, especially during mild weather. Reducing stale indoor air. Poor airflow can lead to stagnant indoor air, which affects comfort and overall atmosphere. By incorporating operable side panels into bay window designs, Mandeville homeowners can improve ventilation and reduce the buildup of stale air inside frequently used rooms. Supporting temperature balance. Natural ventilation plays an important role in maintaining indoor comfort. Bay windows in Mandeville residences can help release warm air when opened strategically. Allowing fresh air to circulate supports more balanced room temperatures throughout the day. Blending ventilation with natural light. One reason bay windows are so popular is their ability to bring in abundant daylight. Mandeville homeowners do not have to choose between brightness and airflow. Bay windows provide both, enhancing interior light while also offering ventilation options through operable panels. Flexible design options. Modern bay windows are available with a variety of opening mechanisms, including casement-style or double-hung side panels. In Mandeville homes, this flexibility allows homeowners to select configurations that best support their airflow needs while complementing architectural style. Maintaining energy performance. Improving airflow does not mean sacrificing energy efficiency. When closed, high-quality bay windows in Mandeville residences form tight seals that reduce drafts. Professional installation ensures that ventilation is controlled when desired and sealed when not needed. A beautiful and functional upgrade. Bay windows are often chosen for their dramatic appearance, but their benefits go beyond aesthetics. For homeowners in Mandeville, bay windows that include operable side panels offer a practical way to enhance airflow while maintaining elegant design. By capturing breezes from multiple angles and supporting natural ventilation, these windows help create fresher, more comfortable interiors, making them a smart and stylish addition to any home.